In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a deleted meeting in Outlook. We'll work in Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. Start by opening Outlook, and if you're prompted, sign into your account. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the left side of the screen for the calendar icon. Click Calendar to switch from email to your schedule. This ensures we're working directly with your meetings and not just event notifications that may show up in your inbox. Next, locate the meeting you want to work with on your calendar. You can browse in day, week, or month view, whichever helps you spot it fastest. When you see the meeting, click it once to bring up its quick preview. This small preview is handy for checking the title and time, but for full control, we'll open the detailed view. In the preview, choose View Event. This opens the event in a larger window where you can see details like the organizer, attendees, time, and location. From here, look along the top for the Delete option. Click Delete. Outlook may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the meeting. Confirm the deletion by clicking Delete again. This action removes the meeting from your calendar and, if you're the organizer, can notify attendees depending on your settings. Right after the meeting is deleted, Outlook shows a brief notification at the bottom of the screen with an undo option. This is the key to recovering it immediately. Click Undo quickly. The window to undo is short, usually a few seconds, so keep an eye out for that prompt. As soon as you click Undo, Outlook restores the meeting to your calendar with its original details, saving you from having to rebuild or resend invites. A couple of tips to make this smoother. The Undo banner appears only for a moment, so try not to navigate away or click elsewhere until you see it. If you're dealing with a recurring meeting, Outlook may first ask whether you're deleting a single occurrence or the entire series. Make the choice that matches what you intended before you confirm delete, so the undo brings back exactly what you need, and that's it. By navigating to Calendar, opening the event, deleting it, and then using the undo prompt right away, you can safely recover a meeting you removed by mistake and keep your schedule intact.